Hey there homeowners, welcome back to Tech Infinite, your go-to place for smart home solutions. In today's video, we're counting down the best water leak detectors for smart homes. Whether you're looking to protect your home from costly water damage or want a more connected and efficient household, these leak detectors will help you stay a step ahead. We'll cover features, pricing and more to help you choose the best one for your home. So let's dive in and check them out. At the first position of our list, we have Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor 3-Pack Smart Leak Detector, the Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor 3-Pack. This product is a standout choice for those who need reliable leak detection. Each sensor features a compact design that blends effortlessly into any environment thanks to its sleek white finish. The sensors are built with advanced technology that provides real-time alerts directly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, ensuring that you never miss a potential leak. Quality-wise, the sensors are built to withstand a range of environmental conditions. Their durable construction ensures they remain effective even in high humidity areas like basements and under sinks. The Govee Wi-Fi water sensors are easy to install and configure, making them an excellent choice for both tech-savvy users and those new to smart home devices. At number 2, we have Govee Water Leak Detectors 5-Pack Audio Alarm. Next up is the Govee Water Leak Detectors 5-Pack, which is a great option if you're looking for a more comprehensive detection system. This pack includes 5 separate leak detectors, each equipped with a loud audio alarm that activates when moisture is detected. The alarms are designed to alert you immediately with a high decibel sound, ensuring that even if you are not home, you'll know about the issue promptly. The design of these detectors is user-friendly and versatile, allowing them to be placed in various locations where leaks are most likely to occur. The detectors are compact and easy to position, and they come with adhesive backing for secure placement. The audio alarm is particularly effective for immediate notifications, making it an ideal choice for homes with multiple floors and larger areas where you might not always hear a faint alert. Next up at number 3, we have YoLink Hub 4 Leak Sensors Smart Home Kit. The YoLink Hub 4 Leak Sensors Smart Home Kit offers a robust solution for smart home leak detection. This kit includes a YoLink Hub and 4 leak sensors, providing comprehensive coverage for your home. The hub connects to your existing Wi-Fi network, allowing you to monitor leak sensors from anywhere using the YoLink app. This system is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, giving you flexibility in managing your home safety. Each leak sensor in the YoLink kit is designed with a high sensitivity detection mechanism that quickly identifies leaks and sends instant notifications to your smartphone. The sensors are compact and can be easily placed in strategic locations like under appliances or near water pipes. The YoLink system is known for its reliability and range, offering long battery life for the sensors and ensuring consistent performance over time. The number 4 position is held by Moen Flow Smart Water Monitor Shutoff Sensor. The Moen Flow Smart Water Monitor is a top-tier option for those seeking advanced leak detection with automated shutoff capabilities. This system not only monitors your home's water uses but also has the ability to shut off the water supply in case of a detected leak. The Flow Smart Water Monitor features a sleek, modern design that integrates seamlessly with the existing plumbing system. The device is equipped with real-time monitoring and detailed analytics, allowing you to track water usage patterns and detect potential issues before they become significant problems. The Moen Flow system is known for its durability and high-quality construction, designed to handle the rises of daily use. The installation process involves placing the monitor on your main water line and connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. The Flow app provides alerts and detailed reports, offering peace of mind and proactive protection for your home. The number 5 position is dominated by Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor Leak Detector. The Flume 2 Smart Home Water Monitor is another excellent choice for comprehensive water monitoring and leak detection. This device attaches to your existing water meter and provides detailed insights into your water uses. The Flume 2 system is equipped with advanced sensors that detect leaks and other anomalies in your water flow. The design of the Flume 2 is both user-friendly and sophisticated, with a straightforward installation process that doesn't require any special tools. Once installed, the Flume 2 connects to your home Wi-Fi network and provides real-time updates through the Flume app. The system offers detailed water use reports, helping you identify unusual patterns that might indicate a leak. Its robust construction ensures long-term reliability and accurate performance, making it a valuable addition to any smart home. Next up at number 6, we have FloodBuzz Water Leak Alarm 3-Pack. The FloodBuzz Water Leak Alarm 3-Pack is a cost-effective solution for those needing reliable leak detection without breaking the bank. Each alarm in this pack features a simple yet effective design that emits a loud sound when it detects moisture. The alarms are compact and easy to place in areas prone to leaks, such as under sinks or near water heaters. The flood buzz alarms are designed for ease of use with no complicated setup required. Simply place the alarms where needed and they will start monitoring for leaks immediately. The alarms are powered by replaceable batteries, ensuring long-term functionality with minimal maintenance. Despite their low cost, these alarms are durable and provide reliable performance, making them a practical choice for budget-conscious homeowners. At the 7th position of our list, we have Aqara Water Leak Sensor Kit 3-pack. The Aqara Water Leak Sensor Kit includes 3 leak sensors designed to integrate seamlessly with Aqara's smart home ecosystem. Each sensor features a sleek, compact design that fits easily into various locations where leaks might occur. The Aqara sensors are known for their high sensitivity and accuracy, providing real-time alerts when moisture is detected. Installation and setup are straightforward thanks to Aqara's intuitive app, which guides you through the process of connecting the sensors to your smart home network. The sensors can be placed in key areas such as under appliances or near water pipes, and they provide instant notifications to your smartphone. The Aqara Water Leak Sensor Kit is built with quality materials, ensuring durability and reliable performance over time. At number 8, we have METAK Water Leak Detector Sensor Alarm. The METAK Water Leak Detector Sensor Alarm is a reliable option for homeowners seeking an effective leak detection solution. This sensor features a compact and durable design, making it suitable for various indoor environments. The METAK sensor is designed to detect the presence of water and trigger an alarm to alert you immediately. Quality and usability are key features of the METAK sensor, with its simple installation process allowing you to place it in areas where leaks are likely. The sensor is powered by a battery which offers a long life and ensures that you remain protected without frequent maintenance. The METAK Water Leak Detector is effective in preventing water damage and provides peace of mind with its reliable performance. Next up, number 9, we have XSense Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector 3-pack. The XSense Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector 3-pack is an excellent choice for those looking to integrate leak detection into the smart home setup. Each detector in this pack features a modern design that blends well with any decor. The detectors connect to your home Wi-Fi network and provide real-time notifications via the XSense app. The XSense detectors are built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliable performance. They are easy to install and can be placed in multiple locations throughout your home for competitive coverage. The app provides instant alerts and allow you to monitor the status of each detector, giving you full control over your home's water safety. That wraps up our review of water leak detectors for smart homes. Each of these products offers unique features and benefits, ensuring that you can find the perfect solution for your home's needs. Remember, investing in a reliable water leak detector can save you from costly repairs and provide peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more smart home tips and reviews.